Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open Halifax bank account online. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go into halifax.co.uk. That is their website. So once you are here, what you want to do is that you want to click here on the menu button on the top left. And then from here, click on bank accounts and click here again on bank accounts right here. And from here, you would now be able to choose a bank account that you would want to open. So just scroll down until you see this right here. You have your ultimate reward current account, or just current account right here. And when you scroll down, you have open a joint bank account. You have your youth and student accounts and so on right here. So you can just choose whatever you want. So in my case, I'll just go with the standard one, which is the current account right here. So I'm just going to click here on current account. And now I'll be prompted here to the current account page. So what I want to do with this one is scroll down, and these are the benefits that you get with a current account right here, and scroll down more, and then you can download the app and so on. Let's take a closer look, explore your options, and so on. So what we're going to do here to open the bank account right here is that we are going to answer this one. So apply on website. So determine if you are a new customer here in Halifax, or if you already have existing data, that would mean that you are already an existing customer. So in my case, I'll just go for I'm a new customer. And then from here, let's just wait for this one to load. And then we will now be in this type of process. So you need to use your mobile phone to continue. So take note of this one. So if you are in your mobile phone, it would be better because they would ask you to take a picture of your photographic ID to prove your identity. So if you are in a PC just like mine, you might need to ensure that you have a webcam on so that you can take a picture with your photographic ID. So click on continue once you're done. And from here, are you an existing Halifax customer? You can just answer based on your case. So these are all just personal details. So it would depend on your case. And click here on next once you're all done. And then you would need to provide your first name, middle name, last name, and so on. Just like I said, all personal details. And yeah, you don't need any special guidance of that because those are just personal details that you will need to provide here on this tab. So once you are done with this one, you will now be able to open your bank account here in Halifax once you have provided all the information that they need from you. So that is basically it. So it would depend on the kind of account that you are trying to open here in Halifax Bank. And yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.